It is wheat harvest. We're making straw today. This straw, my buddy and I have kind of a deal going where, you know, it's his straw, but I'm gonna help him sell it, and I'll be able to haul some of it to my customers. So we're out here raking it today. This is a huge crop of straw, and then we're gonna get a custom guy in to bale it and bundle it. That's gonna make everything a lot easier because we can just spear them and load them onto trucks, put them in the barn. We'll take some back to our place. We got a big day ahead of us. A lot of straw. Probably won't get it all done today. We'll get a chunk of it done tomorrow yet. If we don't get it today, keep on chugging. I tell you, this rake definitely makes light work of raking. I want to get me one of these. I rake a lot. Very fast. This straw is super thick. I'm having to split these windrows. I was having a problem though with that front rake there. It was just spitting it too far past the curtain, so I've had to slow way down and get my RPMs low and go a slow speed so that I can actually rake it into a reasonable windrow to where the baler can actually pick it up and not make a mess. There's a pile of straw out here, that's for sure. I had an oopsie. Yeah, it's kind of what happens when you smoke a bundle. Shoot. That not good? I swear I have terrible luck with rakes. Fast forward an hour, we are moving bales out of the field now. They've actually been baling for almost 3 hours, and they're not that many acres into it, but bale wise, they are pooping bricks, and I almost dropped a bundle off this truck. This is kind of sketchy, not gonna lie. Anyway, we're gonna get this unloaded here, and then I actually gotta run to the gas station because I am dangerously low on fuel, and I don't want to run out of fuel in the field today. Sorry, I'm burping. Messed up. Wouldn't be my first mess up today. I broke the rake. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah, I broke the rake today, and when I was running the skid loader earlier today, I backed into one of the posts in the barn, and I knocked the post out in the barn. Last night I quit around 8:30. I got a bunch of those bales consolidated down into big piles. Right now we're getting all these bales hauled into the barn right now. We still got quite a bit out here, but we're trying to get them off so that we can get beans planted in here. I've got 5 bales on my truck right now, and let's just say these things are tricky to haul on my truck. See how far that thing's hanging out over the edge? On that side, not much. So it's really tricky to get 3 wide on here, but we're making it work. But every time I come up to this bump up here, which, you know, right at the end of the bean field, I keep losing bales. So we're gonna see, you know, if we lose any this time. Right there. So let's hope we don't lose any. Oh. I think we're all right. You okay, buddy? Did that hurt? You look fine. I can't see nothing. Where am I going? 5,000 bales later, we are just about done cleaning up. We're loading up the last couple trucks here. We're actually taking these back to our farm. We both took a load already. I want to say, I actually don't know the numbers, but I think there's about 4,500 of the bales are stored here. So we're taking 25 or 30 or so bundles back to our place. And I don't really have a whole lot of room either because, you know, I need storage for hay. But we're gonna make do. We should be able to move this straw relatively quickly, so hopefully if I need space, I can get the straw out of there. I also got all the beans planted. So we're currently running over all this ground that's already been planted, but we were being chased by the planter, which is all right. We got rain coming tonight, so it's just been one of those hectic get the straw off, get the beans in the ground sort of thing. The ground is super hard. I apologize for not filming as much as I should here today. It's kind of just been one of those days where there's a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it. We got straw in the barn. I'm not sure how many bundles, but we got bundles in the barn. Bundles can be fun, but they can be a pain in the butt. That one had a mind of its own, and that's where we're at with that. I'm gonna try to fit the baler, the 2 tractors, and the truck in here yet because I'm going away this week and I don't want to unload that truck either. So I'm trying to figure out a way to get all the equipment in here with all this stuff in the barn. I think if I shimmy this tractor over, then I might be able to get the Agco here and the baler there and the 966 there and the truck over there. So let's try it. Oh, we're close. Oh, that's tight. I should probably shut the doors. Yeah. All right, let's try this again. Oh, we're close. Woo! That's a tight fit. Now to fit this thing in, I'm not sure how we're gonna do this, but I think if I unhook it and I can just shimmy the front end in somewhere. Like a glove. We spent 2 days getting this straw put up. On Wednesday, we harvested it. Friday, we got it raked up and baled, and we put about 1,500 of the bales away. And then on Saturday, we put all the remaining bales away, 2,500 or so. We crammed them in every little nook and cranny we could find, and then we brought 20 or so bundles here to our farm. This is where we're at storage wise. We've got a big stack back here, and we've got a couple bundles over there. I mentioned at the beginning that my buddy and I have this kind of straw deal. I've got some customers that need straw, and he was kind of looking to maybe do something different with his straw. So we have a deal going where he's providing straw and I'm providing hauling services, and it's kind of working out. We're going to try it, see how it does, but we've got plenty of straw for my customers, and I'm going to try to keep straw here in the barn at all times. I like bundles. They're cool, but they can be a pain in the butt sometimes. Fortunately, you got a loader with a spear on. I can handle them pretty well with a spear. That's how we did all the loading and unloading in the field and at the barns. And this tractor handled them fine. They can just be a pain in the butt because if you look at that top bundle up there, I had an oopsie with the spear, so it kind of busted up a bale in the bundle. And obviously there was that bundle out here that I blew apart. So every now and again, you kind of get a bundle that's just a pain in your butt. For the most part, they are better than throwing them by hand. Actually, they're much better than throwing them by hand. But if you want to get into bundles, at least a bale bearing bundle, there is a very huge upfront cost to those things. Are like $100,000, even more than that. Even the RQZin bundlers are over $100,000. And then, you know, you can do them with spears. It'd be better to have it with a grabber. But I'm glad to have some experience with bundles. Kind of getting a taste for what they're like, and help me make a decision if someday I would want to have a bundler. It would probably be a very long time till we ever get a bundler just because of the cost of those things. But some sort of accumulator system would definitely be nice on the farm. Throwing them by hand, it gets old quick, and someday it's not going to be very feasible for us. If you're interested in straw, let me know. I got plenty of it. Thank you for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one.